Hello, you are welcome to a very interesting topic today. Many of my followers and subscribers are asking questions on this particular content that I made a very short video on. That is the Costus Afer, the one they called ginger lily or African ginger or bush cane. It is also called opete in Igbo language. Opete in Igbo language. All those children in early stage of their education, during break period, they used to enter bush and go and eat this. This looks like sugar, only that it's very tiny. It is also called spiral ginger. It is called bush cane. It is called ginger lily or African ginger or Costus Afer. Costus Afer is a common name. It's a very good plant. It's a plant you find in the bush close to your residential areas, most especially those in the rural areas. This particular plant has a lot of various medicinal properties that can benefit poultry and livestock. While specific nutrient and medicinal values can vary depending on the location, the particular soil determines which of these nutritional values, whether they will be complete or not. Remember that the nutrient in that particular soil will do what? Enrich the medicinal properties of that particular plant also. So that's one. It has minerals, it contains vitamins, and it has nutritional and medicinal values. Now, Costus Afer contains various essential minerals including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, and iron. These minerals are crucial for bone development, muscle function, and overall health in poultry and livestock. It has minerals. Minerals in Costus Afer is a very good source of health to livestock and poultry animals. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin A, it has vitamin E also, which are important for immune function, for vision, and for antioxidant protection in animals. It also have nutritional values. That nutritional value that contains in Costus Afer are protein, carbohydrate, and fiber, which contribute to the overall nutritional content and which are also beneficial for poultry and livestock animals, for their growth and for their overall development. It has medicinal values also, which has been traditionally used to take care of different infections like coccidiosis, respiratory disease infection, cold, intestinal tract infections. It also takes care of bacteria, infectious bronchitis. It also takes care of chronic respiratory diseases. At the same time, it also helps in expelling worms, both the internal and external worms from the poultry. This particular plant is very, very important. In fact, the vitamin aspect of it, or the vitamin content of this particular plant, is something you're supposed to know as a poultry and livestock farmer. One, this vitamin C, which Costus Afer contains, vitamin A and vitamin E are very important because it boosts their immunity, it boosts their vision, and at the same time strengthens their bone. The mineral also, the calcium, the phosphorus, the magnesium, potassium, iron, also very good for their fluid flow, for their muscle and body structure, for their bone formation, and at the same time for their entire well-being. The nutritional value also provide a lot of support like protein, carbohydrate, and fiber, which you know are the major ingredients in poultry and livestock feed. Have you seen why this particular plant is very important and why you as a poultry or livestock farmer should go and look for it? Because you don't buy it with money. You just go to the bush and cut it and come and use. How do you make use of it? You can make use of this particular plant. The leaf is very important. The stem is very important. The root important. The flower is more important. Have you seen why this plant is very, very necessary that you have it? If not in your farm, but plant it within your location, because it is very, very important that you have it. Do you know that it has antiseptic properties? It has antimicrobial properties. It can at the same time boost growth, boost the immune structure of your poultry and livestock animals. because it prevents the growth of harmful bacteria which attack your poultry and livestock animals also. Can you imagine why you don't need to do without this plant at all? Can you see it? This is a very important plant. I just want to open your eyes today for you to know, because many of you feel that it's something that you cannot use. Many of you have been spending huge amount of money in buying synthetic, which at the long run cannot even protect or cannot even guarantee you success or result, very good result. You compound half basket of medications, but still, due to either one reason or the other, they may not work for you. These are organic extracts. These are natural plants. They don't even have adverse effects because they are natural. Now, how do you use it? Go and gather 500 gram. 500 gram of this. If you don't have scale, use your hand, your full hand like this. Cut from the stem. If you have enough strength, uproot it completely. Both the root is very important. The stem is very important. The leaf is very important. The flower, if you see the flower, carry everything and come back to your farm. If you have four-legged animals in your farm, now see what you are going to do. Carry the whole thing, wash it properly well, tie it and go and give to them. They will eat everything, both the stem and everything completely. Anything like diarrhea is off. Both poultry and livestock. They eat food and they drop water. They eat food and they drop reddish substance. They eat food and they drop whitish substance that looks like catarrh or that looks like a milk. Those ones are off. Or instead of them to breathe with their nose, they will breathe with their mouth. Stress, this particular plant will help to control stress. It helps in feed digestion. It helps in feed oxidation, and at the same time helps in feed conversion. It gives you a maximum result because you are going to get a maximum growth. Since I've been using it here, I've been gathering a lot of massive weight for my broilers. My parent stock are laying massively and the eggs are very fertile. In fact, I am having 95% hatchability instead of 80-75 thereabout. Now, see this particular bed. Judge it by yourself on the comment section. Is this bed, this particular broiler now, is it not okay that I have been using it to fortify them? Now, you see it. Now, I don't want to scare this chicken before you here because I don't want this video to go too long. Me looking at these chickens, this is 3 weeks. They are 3 weeks. At 3 weeks, these chickens are weighing almost half kg. They are weighing 500 grams at 3 weeks. You can see them. See their legs, see their muscle. Are you seeing it? This, I started using it right from day one. I use it to fortify them during the brooding stage. Is this birds not looking healthy? Are they not looking healthy? I just picked only 2 from them. You can see it. Now, let's continue. Now, with the stem, cut the stem after washing it properly well. Put it in a mortar and pound it properly well. Add little water and squeeze out all the juice. You can combine the stem, the leaf and the root, but make sure you cut them into pieces and wash them properly well. Wash them up to 2 or 3 times. Then pound them together, extract the juice. Use 10 liters of water for 100 birds. It depends on the age of the birds, especially the birds that are under 3 weeks. 10 liters of water is enough for 100 birds. 10 liters of water is enough for 100 birds. Do this for 5 to 7 days. You will get a very massive result. You will get a very massive weight of broiler in 6 weeks. In fact, you will be amazed of what you will get. If your birds are laying and they stop laying at a time, or they drop in their egg production, go and get this Costus Afer. Gather it from wherever you see it. Look for it. People are searching for it because it has a lot of medicinal value. It also has a lot of spiritual value also. So many people are searching for it. It's not only you as a farmer. Other people are looking for it because it cures a lot of things. It takes care of a lot of things in human being. So human beings are also looking for it also. So you are looking for it. It means it is highly competitive. So that bush you are entering to look for it, you are not the only one. That's why it's very important you start going now before they hear this message. If they get this video now and after watching it now, you see that many people will enter bush now to go and look for it. You may not even see it by then. So now, the leaf also, wash it. If you have only the leaf alone, it's okay. If you gather the leaf and the stem, it's okay. If you get the flower and all together, it's okay also. Don't mind the age of your birds. What matters is the quantity of water you use. If you have anything that is not clear to you, drop it on the comment section. I don't want this video to see this particular level right now. Drop it on the comment section and allow other farmers to get this information you have gotten now. Please, let this information reach others. Bye for now.